I'm still working on the same outline that I had before for my book and the production time that I estimate it's going to take to write each chapter. And I'm just formatting here like I was before, trying to make this look a little bit better and a little bit easier to read. Now let's do something interesting. Let's say that I want to have a big number next to each chapter content so that it's real easy to find what's in chapter 1, 2, and 3. You just search for the big number here, and that's your content to the right. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to use two functions that we saw in previous chapters. We're going to use merge cells, and I'm going to show you how to make text go sideways. Right, let's start with this. I'm going to insert a cell right here. I inserted column B. And to insert the number, I'm going to write a number here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and now I'm going to use merge cells to get this number to occupy this entire vertical space. Just like we saw in that chapter, we select the cells, we press up here, merge and center, and I'm going to align this to the center of the merged cell like this, with middle align like that. See, same thing with number 2, merge, then align here, and with number 3, merge and align here. And now I'm going to give this thing a little bit more format, say number 12, like that, and I'm going to add a cell border right there. See, so now I have these real easy to follow markers. Let's say that I didn't want a numerical marker. I want this to say chapter 1. Okay, so I'm going to write chapter 1 just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing on number 2 and on number 3 like that. Only problem is now the text doesn't fit. Now I could always double click here and auto fit, and that's one option, but it doesn't seem to look as nice as if this text was actually vertical, as if it were sideways here. So how do I get the text to go sideways? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by changing this from chapter to CH, make it a little easier to fit, just like that. I'm going to bring my width down to about 5. Can also do here column width and go to 5. 5 looks like a little too much, maybe 4. Okay, and here's where the magic happens. I'm going to select the cells, and I'm going to go up here to this little button we saw in a previous chapter that says orientation, and that's going to rotate our text. It's going to make it go sideways. I'm going to bring this drop down here, and as you can see, we have different options: angle counterclockwise, clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up, and text down. The one I normally like to use is this one that says rotate text up. That makes my text go sideways, so you read it from bottom to top, like this. And right away, my chapter markers have gone sideways, and it's a lot easier to read. If I want to put them back the way that it was, then I simply select them and remove this, and it's back to normal. And if I want to rotate it, drop down and text up. Or if you like it, you can select text down, just like that. Or if you like, you can select also vertical text. That one makes each character occupy one line. Some people like to do it. I personally don't like this because I think it looks kind of messy and kind of discontinuous. I prefer to use the rotated text alignment. So that's how you make text go sideways in Excel. You can use it to make these little markers, or you can use it basically any time you want to put a title which spans several columns, or just one column but in vertical format. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and to visit our website cubicleoverlords.com for more instructional videos like this one.